Hello everyone, long time no see. Today we can see sunshine, which means I can actually do some work on a car. Today, myself and Andrew's here, and we're working on the Rover 75. So we've got to get the front bumper off, and we've got to get to the intercooler, and we've got to replace the O-rings on the intercooler pipe. So yeah, we'll have a look at that in a minute. We'll get to the pipe. Happy. Right, we're just filming Andrew undoing these bolts for me. It's very kind of you, you know. Right, so we got what, a couple of bolts left. Yeah, we've got a couple of bolts. So we'll come back to you when we're lifting the front bumper off. Actually, yeah, we can do that right now, actually. So if you just... Oh, hang on, we need to pull. You need to pull from the wing on the other side there, where the bumper goes round. If you pull it to the side, and it pops. It should just pop out like that.
I'll let you do that, so I don't want to break it.
Okay. Literally, you just grab hold of it like that, and you pull. And there you go. That's it. And it comes straight off. But there's cables there we need to unplug, so we've got to take the headlight out first. I need to take that headlight out so we can get to the wires and unplug it. So we'll get that light out. Okay, so the bumper is off. Forgot to record this just now. I thought I pressed record, but I didn't. So the bumper is over there. So now what we need to do is where this Jubilee clip is here.
Yeah.
We need to get that undone.
Yeah.
There's a screw in the back of there, I believe. That needs to come undone. And we need to get this pipe out.
Right, where does that pipe go to?
It goes down into another pipe. And I can point down there, you can just see that O-ring. Down there's a light in from behind it. You can see where it's blown. So we need to get that off.
Yeah, I can see that, yeah.
Now, what I'm thinking of doing is removing this pipe because it goes down from the top. So we need to undo that one there.
Right.
And then undo the one at the bottom, and then we can pull that out. And then the one below it comes down here, and everything is covered in oil. It's absolutely filthy.
There's an 8 in it.
Yeah, it's an 8mm. Yeah.
There she goes.
I did try putting the 10mm socket on, but it...
Pissing glasses.
Oh.
So we're getting the pipe out. So this has been ever so dirty ever since I bought it.
We take it off on this point as well?
Yeah, it's got to come off there as well. The whole pipe's got to come out. And the pipe below it's got to come out. Okay, so that one's off. Oh my god, that came off really easy, that lower one.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh my word, look at that. That's bad.
That is really bad. That is going to take
oh my god, look at that hanging off.
That is going to take some very serious work. Right.
Yeah, wow, that O-ring's knackered. That is split completely, I think. Right, hang on, I'll put my glove on and I'll come back to you.
Right, so I've pulled out the O-rings. Well, one of them was literally hanging on, as you saw. So the other one, which was inside the pipe down there, I could just see it, and is literally, as you can see, split completely like that. So that's not good. So luckily I've bought a set of two sets, and look at that. That is just covered, and it's so, there's just nothing really left of it. It's just ruined. So if anyone's a fan of Rovers, please go and check out Colin on Robson Rover Repair. He's told me that this pipe here, one O-ring goes in this slot, and one O-ring normally sits in this recess here. But he also said reason for buying 2 of these kits is because there's a little gap in here. We need to remove these little lumps here with a file, and then we can get a third O-ring in there. And then when you put it all back together again, it will seal it and it shouldn't blow again. This thing is filthy, and this is probably one of the causes of the car not running all that well. Right, so Andrew has just pulled out this little elbow out of the rubber pipe. And what we're going to do?
Right, liberally.
Brilliant. And we got a cloth. There we go. We've got a rag. So you can wipe it all down. It is absolutely filthy. Just gunk coming off of all of it.
Smoothie, look at that.
Oh yeah, that's looking much better already.
Jesus Christ, look at that.
That's coated, isn't
You
it?
should have bloody used some soapy water or something.
I think we might. I've got a bucket. We might have to.
Bloody hell.
It's getting everywhere, isn't it?
Get yourself some soapy water and a scrubbing brush. Or
Right, let's come back with a
Brillo
bucket.
pad or something.
Yeah, Brillo pad is a good idea. Right, we'll come back with a bucket. This is taking quite some time to file down.
This one's getting here.
Just as well we found the right size file. Little dinky one. These little tiny files and stuff come in really handy. We're getting there. A little bit left. I think there's what, 4 in total? Yeah. Okay, so the pipe is all back in. I didn't bother filming it because there wasn't really much point. But basically cleaned everything all up as best as possible. The new O-rings are in. There's 3 of them in. But firing this thing up just now, it sounds brilliant. Now I'll just start him up a minute. It sounds a lot better than it did. There we go. Woo! Woo! So I reckon something's working more, something's working better in here because we fixed that. Really pleased. Right, so thanks for watching. I know you didn't see much of me. You saw more of Andrew doing anything really, but we got the pipe fixed. We've got other jobs that we need to do on this car at some point. So struts need doing. The struts are failing miserably on this car. So I'll try and find some new bonnet struts because it likes falling down. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video sometime fairly soon. Hopefully doing something on the Cortina.